There's a good run. What was that? It was jumping it. Was that a tarpon? Man, this place is gorgeous. Crystal clear water, grass flats. Back out at Tampa Bay, y'all. Here the Spanish mackerel are back. So I'm hoping to hook into some of those and then get a cooler full of trout. That's the plan. Got about a mile paddle. Let's get her done. Alright, switch to the Miradine. It's a suspending twitch bait. I got a feeling it's not going to take very long to catch something on this. Last time I came out here, we absolutely crushed the fish on this lure. They seem to can't resist the twitch pause and the flash and the sun. What I'm doing here is I'm just moving from grass patch to grass patch until I make my way further out to the channel that's way out there. Last time we made our way out there, it's about a mile, 2 mile paddle. We caught a ton of Spanish mackerel. And they fight like crazy. They're really fun to catch. I'm hoping to hook into one. But for now, I'm just gonna make my way. I got plenty of time. Yep. Got him that time. I think I foul hooked him. I did. Your bait. Come on. There we go. Throw this in the cooler and let it die off a little bit and then chop them up for bait. That's a ladyfish though. If y'all ain't ever seen one. Awesome cut bait. Hopefully this will catch me a big redfish. Alright, well, my first goal has been accomplished. I got some ladyfish cut bait. Now to get some trout in the cooler. There's a hit. Yep. Got it. Freaking catfish, man. Damn catfish. I hate catfish. Yeah, that's something good. Ladyfish? I think it's a ladyfish. Yep. Man, these things are crazy. Look at that. Oh, I lost them. Damn it. He's right there too. That is so cool. How close can I get to him? Whoa. That thing is huge. That is not a little manatee. That thing's huge. Oh, there's redfish following him too. Look at that. See him right there? Come back up, man. Say hi. This is the closest I've ever been to a manatee. He's right there. Oh, that is so cool. Come up. He's coming up. Thing is huge. Uh-oh, he's under me. Don't flip me, bro. He swam under me. Oh, that is awesome. Cool. Wow. I just saw that. Yep. It's on. Whatever it is. I got it. What is that? Is that a cobia? I think that's what that is. Yeah, that is what that is. Awesome. I never caught one of these before. Oh, there we go. Awesome. Look at that, man. I've never caught one of these before. Check it out. Oh, come on, man. Oh, and he's gone. Oh, I had him in my hands. Hook popped right on out. I landed it though. I landed it. Yep, right there. There's something right there. It came off. No, it didn't. No, it didn't. It's something good. Oh, please be a redfish. Don't be a big cat. Oh, I don't know what it is. Oh no, is it one of those rays? What are you? Looks like a redfish. All right. I don't know what that is, man. What is that? Tell me what that is, y'all. Comment below, because I have no idea. I've never caught this before. Put up a hell of a fight though. Tons of fun. Let's get it back in the water. It's got some sharp teeth. I have no idea what that is. Sure. Nice release. Or not. Oh no, is it? No, yeah, it just swam off. Cool. I don't know what that was, but I caught it. Well, y'all, it's so funny how this works out, because it's just how it works out. As soon as my camera died, I took it off my head. I set it down. I was gonna put it on charge. I was about to reel in my cut bait, and it started going off. Well, I had a really big fish on. I got it all the way to the boat. It was a shark, a good sized shark too. And yeah, it broke my rod right at the boat, and then broke my line. Ain't that something? Guess that's what you get when you fish cut bait. Oh man, craziness. Well, this is kind of crazy. Some big old waves out here. Fish on. Something big. That didn't take long at all. Oh, don't break my rod. I'm not equipped to hook into a big shark. It feels like another shark. Oh, loosen my drag up. Oh, buddy. Broke last time, right by the boat. Oh man. If I land this fish on this rod, I deserve an award. Woo! Let's go! Oh, don't break my rod. Feels like a shark. Definitely a shark. Maybe a big stingray? What are you? What is that? Is that a ray? Oh, it's a big ray. Damn it, man. Hey, better than nothing though. I don't want to break my rod on a freaking ray. Oh. You done now? You finally done? I just want to cut the line. There, gone. See you later. Whoo! Man! Oh, just a freaking ray. I can't imagine. If I hook into a bull red, I'm gonna be fighting it for hours. Awesome. I'll take it. That was fun. On to the next one. Oh, buddy. Something good. Oh, yeah. Looks like a shark. Little black tip. Oh, man. another hook. Damn it. I had him right there though. I don't know what I would have done with him. I got one more piece of cub bait. I'm gonna throw that out there, and then once that one's gone, I'm gonna call it. Ooh, that was a twitch. Yeah, something on it. There's a good run. What was that? It was jumping. Was that a tarpon?